House Joint Resolution 35, March 14, 2025. HJ Res 35 is a joint resolution that nullifies an Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) rule titled Waste Emissions Charge for Petroleum and Natural Gas Systems, Procedures for Facilitating Compliance, including netting and exemptions. This EPA rule, published on November 18, 2024, implemented a provision from the 2022 Inflation Reduction Act, mandating the collection of fees from oil and natural gas facilities emitting methane above specified thresholds. Implications of HJ Res 35 regulatory change. By invalidating the EPA's rule, the resolution removes the requirement for oil and gas companies to pay fees for methane emissions exceeding the set limits. This action effectively eliminates the financial incentive for these companies to reduce methane emissions beyond existing regulations. Environmental impact. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas, significantly contributing to climate change. The original EPA rule aimed to encourage the adoption of best practices to limit methane emissions. Nullifying this rule may slow progress in reducing these emissions, potentially hindering efforts to combat climate change. Economic considerations. Supporters of the resolution, including industry groups and some lawmakers, argue that the methane fee imposed unnecessary financial burdens on energy producers, potentially leading to higher energy costs for consumers. They believe that removing the fee supports economic growth and energy affordability. The resolution was introduced by Representative August Pfluger, RTX, on February 4, 2025, passed the House on February 26, 2025, and the Senate on February 27, 2025. It was presented to the President on March 4, 2025, and became Public Law No. 119-2 on March 14, 2025. The administration expressed strong support for HJ Res 35, stating that the EPA's rule imposed significant new costs on the oil and natural gas sectors, which could increase energy prices. In summary, HJ Res 35 nullifies the EPA's rule on methane emissions charges, reflecting a shift in policy that prioritizes reducing regulatory burdens on the oil and gas industry over implementing new measures to curb methane emissions. Subscribe for more!